Hey everybody, it's Alex here with the North Pacific Homes Group and EXP Realty here in Victoria. And I hope you had a very relaxing and fulfilling holiday season, as we certainly did. And I wanted to jump on here and make a video quickly about this upcoming legislation that the provincial government has announced. Now before we get into that, it'd be great if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel, as we've got some great content for you. So starting January 3rd, the provincial government has announced the Home Buyer Rescission Period to take effect. So if you bought or sold in the last couple of years, you'll understand of what we've been calling the COVID craze, where interest rates have been so low, inventory has been so low, and you can go back to our past videos and take a look at them, and things got very intense. You're seeing unconditional offers becoming the norm. Well, in fact, in BC, 70% of offers were unconditional in 2021, meaning no subjects, no conditions. That put a lot of stress and risk to the buyers, as they're not able to do their proper due diligence, such as financing or making sure that the home is safe through an inspection. So the provincial government has been talking this for a while, and they've come up with the Home Buyer Rescission Period. Now what it's following is, if you're buying a new strata property, whether that's a condo or a townhome, and you being directly from the developer, you're given a 7-day rescission period. So meaning when you write the offer, you don't put in any due diligence conditions, because you're automatically given 7 business days to conduct them. Now the provincial government has shortened this, and there's 2 major differences with this rescission period compared to a new build. So like I just mentioned, it's a shorter window, so it's only 3 business days, so no weekends or holidays. And if you've purchased recently, you'll understand that with dealing with a mortgage broker or an insurance broker, 3 days is just not enough time. So this is going to be focusing mostly on getting an inspection done. Now granted, there'll be conversations about already being pre-approved and making sure that we are ready to go. However, with each property being different, we do need that financial condition in there. Now the second difference is, there will be a financial penalty if you back out during the rescission period. When you're buying a new build, when you have these 7 days, you back out, no financial penalty. However, what the provincial government is trying to combat is buyers going out and tying up a bunch of properties and picking the one that best suits them. So the financial penalty is going to be 2.5% of the total purchase price. So on $1 million, that's going to be $2,500, which isn't a small amount. Now this sounds like a big change in how we're going to be doing things now that this rescission period is going to be with every single residential property purchase. And it is. However, the catch is, we are still able to write in our conditions. And based on the market that we're in, with unconditional offers not being the norm, buyers are able to go in, put their finance, put their inspection, insurance, whatever the case may be, and do their proper due diligence. And if they back out with those conditions in place, the rescission period technically is negated. So the only real reason the rescission period comes into effect is if you're writing an unconditional offer. With the market in the current state, with higher interest rates and higher inventory, conditional offers are now the norm, so this rescission period is mostly negated. Now, although it's going to be associated with every single offer, it's not really going to be taken into effect unless we get up to an unconditional craze again, and that becomes the strategy. Now, once that does occur, it's going to be very interesting to see how this affects the home buying process. Now, that's everything I got for you folks today. Thank you so much for joining me, and hope you have a fantastic day.